Okay, we want to obtain the ratio for sine 90°. For 90°, we can have two angles. We can add up two angles together, and therefore we have 90. Okay, it means that for 90, I can simply put up two angles together, and I will have it. Okay, it simply means 45 plus 45. Please take note of this. Now, we need to now apply an identity to resolve this very one. I will now say sine 45° cos 45°. Okay, and this plus will remain the same, it will not change. It will only change when we are dealing with cos. This addition sign here. It will only change when we are dealing with cos. Since we have sine, this addition sign remain the same, it will not change. Okay, I will now have the next one now. Since I have sine first, okay, the next one will be cos now. Cos 45. Okay, sine 45. This is what I will have. Okay, we can now move on. We can now move on. It means that for sine 45°, we have a ratio, and of course, it's simply given as 1 over 2. And the same thing applies to cos 45°. We still have 1 over root 2. Okay, we have cos 45°, 1 over root 2. And the same thing applies to sine 45. We have 1 over root 2. Okay, now for this one now, we need to now rationalize. Because this one is a fraction, we have a surd at the denominator. Whenever a surd appears at the denominator of the fraction, simply rationalize that very fraction. For this very first one, this one is the first fraction, and we have a surd under, therefore we rationalize, become 2 root 2 over 2. Okay, the same thing applies to this one. We still have surd at the denominator. We have root 2 over 2. Okay, the same thing applies to this one. Become root 2 over 2. Okay, we have this one, the same thing, root 2 over 2. Now we can move on. For this one, I can multiply. It simply means root 2 times 2, and of course we have root 4. We have root 4. Okay, for this one I have 4, and I still have the same thing here, root 4 over 4. Okay, we can still move on. We can still move on. For this very one, root 4 simply means 1. That will simply mean 2. Please don't forget that root 4 is a perfect. Root 4 is a perfect square. Root 4 is going to give me 2. 2 over 4. Okay, while for this one, I also have 2 over 4. Okay, we have fractional. We have fractions. Please don't forget. Now, what can we do? What can we do? For this part, I can reduce. I can say 2 here is 1. 2 here will give me 2. Become 1 over 2 plus. Okay, I still have 2 here again. 2 here is 1. 2 here is going to be 2. Okay, I still have 1 over 2. And now we have half plus half. Therefore, we have 1. We have 1. Half plus half is going to give us 1. It means that sine 90° will be 1. Choose your calculator to perform that. Get your calculator. Just get the value for sine 90°. Therefore, you are going to have 1. You will have 1. Okay, do you see now? We are able to obtain the value for sine 90° using this application of SURDS. Thank you very much for staying with me on the platform, GB Jungle Online Mathematics. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. All the best. Now, I want to now go for cos 90°. Cos 90°.